Hey everyone, welcome back. A quick get ready with me. I already have my base products down, my cheek and everything. Today I am using the Supreme Nudes by Artist Couture. It's not a brand new product out on the market, but I like this. I really do. I've used it a couple of times already. It's a good basic palette. I have my primer down using the Milk Makeup base. I'm gonna take a number 15, go into exposed right here and go all over my lid. There is some kick up in the pan on this, just so that you know. I'm going to use the same brush and go in transcend this color right here and put that in my crease. Then I need to darken up my outer V. I'm gonna go into Aesthetica, which is right here. It's blurry, I know. Then I'm gonna go into Opulence, which is just this brownsy gold color right here, and put that all over my lid. that's it for the eyes. I think they came out really pretty. I like the palette. It's a very nice palette. It's vegan, so I don't have to worry about these dark colors causing me trouble. I picked this up around Christmas time. It's Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a gold lipstick. Now, I've had gold lipsticks before. Well, lip glosses before. Not all gold lip glosses are the same, I can tell you that much. I don't like that full-on laminated glow look. I like this because this is very light. This is very pretty on its own, or I could go for a nude lip gloss. It's very light. I like it. It has a slight gold sparkle to it, but it's not overwhelming. Well, anyways, that's my makeup look. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video.